Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, February 15th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you are posting attendance. Also, make sure you're going back and checking on those notes as they've been sent in and changing any attendance codes that are not correct. Also, make sure you're syncing your grades to Schoology, in Schoology to PowerSchool. Please make sure you're doing this often. Also, please send Ms. Smith pictures for the yearbook. The due date is very close and we have a lot of blank grade level pages. So we want to make sure all the grade levels are well represented and that we have lots of great pictures in there. So please send those in to Ms. Smith. Late duty today is Ms. Heichman. Tomorrow is Ms. Cunningham, then Ms. Clark, and Friday Ms. Battaglia. Important dates. On Wednesday, February 16th, we have the course of study PD during extended PE. Next Monday, February 21st, we have faculty meeting. February 25th, we have students may wear jeans and school-appropriate Mardi Gras colored t-shirt for a $2 donation to the United Way campaign. February 28th through March 2nd, no school for Mardi Gras break. Other important February dates for the entire month of February of African American History Month. February 17th, we have Random Acts of Kindness Day. February 21st through 25th is Public Schools Week. And February 23rd is School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. We are continuing with our highlight of Black History Month and some historical, famous Black people that had lots of contributions to our country. So we have another one today. For our highlight for today is going to be Mae Jemison. This is written and read by a little Miss Chloe Fair from Miss Wolf's class, and so she has some great information about Mae Jemison.
Mae Jemison was born on October 17, 1956. Her full name is Mae Carol Jemison. She became the first Black woman to travel into space. She was born in Alabama and raised in Chicago. Mae Jemison joined NASA's astronaut corps in 1987 and was chosen to serve for the STS-47 mission. Jemison graduated from Stanford University. Mae Jemison is 65 years old.
Awesome job, Chloe. Thank you for telling us all about Mae Jemison and her awesome contribution to be the first Black woman into space. Next up, we have our AR Superstars for the quarter. Our latest and greatest students that have met their AR goal from Miss Arch's class: Owen Alexander, Alana Booker, Amaria Thompson, Zach Watson. Miss Barnes' class, Raven Murphy. Miss Bertolino, Tatum Elston, and Wilnea Timmons. Miss Bolton's class, Cherish Mufalaka. Miss Clark's class, Kamaya Dean, Ashlyn Holmes, Bryson Howell, Tamaya Harris, and Cammie W. And Miss Duberg's class, Mackenzie Dyson. Maybe Mackenzie Dixon. Elvis Ramos, Carter Williams, and Miss Heichman's class, Derville Moore. But that's not it. There's more. We have in Miss Hogan's class, Catherine Blankenship, Bailey Dortch, Aaliyah Fields, Adeline Martin, and Reagan Zine. In Miss Moore's class, we have Libby Jones. In Miss Peralta's class, Adrian Diggs. For Waller, we have Clemmy Garrick, Maya Harden, Marquise McCants, and Max McDowell. In Miss Washam's class, we have Chevier Sanders. In Miss Weaver's class, we have Samara Shannon. And Miss Wolf's class, we have Christian Curtis. Awesome job to all of you AR Superstars. Way to go. We have a couple of shout outs. Shout out to our Safety Patrol students, Antoinette, Timothy, and Waylon. They are recognized by me and lots of other people. Great job helping our little friends on the K1 Hall get to their classrooms, especially our little pre-K friends who need a little extra help in the mornings to get their tiny little feet all the way down to their classroom. So thanks to those big kids for helping us out on Safety Patrol and getting everybody where they need to be. Next, shout out to Miss Pate and all of her helpers, who I know she had a big group that came in extra early to school and worked really hard. Thanks for spreading the love yesterday with all the Valentine signs and greetings. Kindness is always cool, and that really got my day started off in a great way, seeing all those signs and everybody telling everyone Happy Valentine's Day and just being super sweet to each other first thing in the morning. That is a fantastic way to start your day and start your week. So shout out to Miss Pate and all her little helpers that got that taken care of. I love it. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.